Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving north on Hudson Street in Port Maria towards Rectory Street. On the right is the Port Maria Market, and on the left is the St. Mary Municipal Corporation. On the left is the Port Maria Civic Center, and on the right is the Claude Stewart Park, which houses the St. Mary Parish Library, and also on the right is the St. Mary Parish Church. Hudson Street ends here and Banana Street begins, making the left onto Rectory Street. If we had continued straight on Banana Street, that road will take us to Galena, Aracabessa, Boscobel, Ocherius, and other communities. We are now on Rectory Street, and just right we are passing the old fire station. Notably, the other end of Rectory Street will be taking us back onto Banana Street. The road here on the left is Wentworth Road, and that road will take you to Wentworth Community. The Port Maria Civic Center we passed earlier was built in 1821. This fine example of Jamaican Georgian architecture formerly housed the Port Maria Courthouse and the Port Maria Police Station until it was destroyed by fire in 1988. The Port Maria Civic Center was featured in the 1982 film Countryman. The dirt road just ahead will take you to Fort Haldane. You can check the video description below for a link showing a bird's eye view of Fort Haldane. It's a drone video. A bit of history on Fort Haldane. Fort Haldane was erected in 1759 and named after General George Haldane, the then governor of Jamaica. The fort was constructed to protect the harbour of Port Maria from Spanish raids. Governor Haldane was actively involved in the design of the fort. As a highly decorated veteran of many major field battles, Haldane was an expert in artillery and ballistics. The fort was in active service from 1759 until 1780, when an hurricane destroyed the storerooms, barracks, and main garrison building. It was also used as a garrison to keep the enslaved and working classes of St. Mary under control. Fort Haldane also served a pivotal role in Tacky's Rebellion, one of Jamaica's bloodiest rebellions against slavery in 1760. On Easter Sunday, Tacky and a small group of slaves murdered their masters and marched to Port Maria, where they killed the guards at Fort Haldane and stole several barrels of gunpowder and firearms. They fought alongside hundreds of other slaves and Maroons for 5 months. Their rebellion was ultimately squashed by the more powerful British, and the death of Tacky in a fierce gun battle. By 1780, the threat of the Spanish attack on the north coast of Jamaica had largely waned, and the decision was made to abandon the fort and relocate the garrison to the nearby Ocho Rios. Here is the end of Rectory Street. The road to the right is Banana Street, which will take us back into Port Maria town. Crossing the Salt River, and we are now en route to Ocho Rios. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.